and the subnet max into binary. The reason why I don't put all these 3 octets into binary is simply because if I put them into binary, their numbers will remain the same, but the 4th octet here will not remain simply the same because side 25 tells me that it's on. So that is exactly the value. So my subnet max here is not up to 255, so therefore I have to do some conversion right here. And when I did it, 166 in binary I get that, and 128 in binary I get that. So therefore it gives me this. So my subnet, my network address is that. Now, next question reads that what subnet does host 172.16? Okay, let me take this, copy it. .16.5.29/18 belong to. Now they want to know, this is an IP address, okay? The question is that this IP address, they want to know it, okay? Alright, let me put this out. The thing is, they want to know which network, okay, that this IP address belongs to. It's more like the same question here. What subnet does this? So the same question but different class of IP address. So we have to know what subnet does this IP address belong to. So it's the same thing. What you do here again, the CIDR 18 put it into subnet max. So CIDR 18 in subnet max is 255.192.0. That's it. How I get 192 is, this is 16 and then you have 2 more. So the sum of those 2 is 192. It's 128 plus 94, 64. So in this case right here, 2 octets, 172 and 16, they have 255. So therefore we don't need them. Those ones we don't need to convert them into binary. But 5 and 192 need to be converted. 29 and 0 also must be converted. So that is one thing that we need to do. So that's it. So 5 in binary is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, then 4, 0, 1. So that is it. That is how you convert 29, 5, okay? And okay. 29 in binary is going to be 1, 2, 3, 128, 64, 32, 16 will have, and if you subtract 16 from 16 from 29, the answer would be, sometimes I get more crazy, sometimes I get crazy, I cannot remember things. It's equal to 13, okay? If I take 16 from 29, I'm left with 13. Again, can 8 go into the 13? Am I left with 8? 128, 64, 32, 16, 8. Okay. I can take 8 from 13. I am left with how much? 5. Okay. But what happened? I'm not getting something right here. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2. Okay, let me see. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4. Sorry guys, 128, 64, 32, 8, 16, 8, 4, 2 and 1. Okay, I guess I'm correct. 8, I'm left with 5, 4, 0, 1. Alright, that's correct. So that's how I convert it. So I have this. So 192 into binary is 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. Alright, 4 bits. Now here 0 in binary is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So I convert this, and if I have to do that, the answer is this simple. Okay, I think I have to get rid of this one. Alright, so if I convert this into binary, and I convert 5 into binary, and I convert 192 into binary, the answer is yes. So here 1 and 0, 0. So here everything would be 0, 0, 0, because everything is 0. And here also everything will be 0, 0, 0, 0. Simply like that. This sometimes you have to be very careful, because otherwise it will give you some trouble. Okay, so you have to make sure that if the bits are the same, if they're 1 and 1, it's 1. 1 and 0 is 0. Everything else apart from 1 and 1 is a 0. Let me just make it that way. So your network address is all 0. Everything is 0. So the network that this IP address belong to, okay, so let's just get that straight. Okay, let's get that straight. The network that this IP address belong to is 172. Okay, that's the network. 172.16.0.0/18. Okay, not 16 but 18. Now this is exactly what you're looking for, and then that's the answer. Okay, they want to know what network does this. So what subnet does it belong to? They want to get the network address. Okay, that's what they're asking. Get me the network address, and then I am fine with you. Okay, now that is question 2. I don't think I'll be able to do all the questions in one video, so I'll have to make sure I cut it into 2 pieces. And what is the valid host range of the subnet that hosts this 192.168.67 255.255.255.224 is a part of. Now they want you to give them the valid host range for which this IP address belongs to. Okay, and this is also a funny one also, so I think we're gonna have to be a little more careful here. Now this one is very simple. It gives you the subnet max, so you don't have to worry. Okay, this one gives you the subnet max, so you are fine. Now look at this. Let's bring this subnet max underneath here, so we are fine. 192 in binary, 255 in binary will give you 192. 168 in binary, 255 in binary will give you 168. 28 in binary, 65, 255 in binary will give you again 255. So now what we need to do simply is we're gonna convert 67 and 224 in binary. Now let's go. Go. Now it's simple. 67 in binary is 0, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0. That is this 1, 2, 3. That is 6. 1, 1. That's it. 224 in binary is 1, 1, 1. All the rest 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is it. Now I have to AND this. Very simple. I have to just try and just to AND this, make it quick. Let me draw a line here, serve as a demarcation. Alright, so that's good. So here, if I AND this one and this 0, if I AND it, I have 0. 1 and 1 is 1. 1 and 0 is 0. All the rest is going to be 0. So if I get this right, this value, this binary is what I need to convert into decimal. Now if I convert this binary into decimal, look at what I have. It would be 64. So my network address here is, how do you get this? Is very simple. 192.168.28.64. Because now the value, this binary is 64 here, all these 64. So if you convert that, you're gonna get 64/27. I get 27 because this 224. So if you convert this into decimal, in its slash CIDR format, you're gonna get CIDR 27. Now their question is the valid host range. So therefore you